Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that
R2 protocol token.
is a legit or scam. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. Firstly, you will open this token on CoinMarketCap and you can also check institutional rating, and here you will check public comment like bullish and bearish comment. Now here you can check every comments in detail related to scam and copy this address. After that, open Dex tool and here you will paste address. After that, you will open this token and you can see audit scan. Now here you can check buying and selling transaction details. After that, go to CoinMarketCap and click on market section. Now here you will check that this token is available or not on popular exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Crypto.com, Ubuy, Gate.io and other exchanges. After that, you will have to click on this and go to holder section. Now here you can check holders transaction details. So if I share my opinion with you, then this project
Up to 75% chance is that it is a legit or good project.
So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.